Hey everyone, how are you doing? It's me Jens from the Wondershare PDFelement team and I'm going to be your host today. Adding notes, giving feedback, highlighting parts of a text inside of a PDF file is probably also an important part of your work routine when working with a lot of PDF files. And Wondershare's PDFelement can do exactly that and even more. And that's what we are going to talk about today. But before we dive into the main video, don't forget to subscribe to the PDFelement channel as well as to activate a little notification bell on there. This way you are never going to miss out on any kind of new updates and features that come to PDFelement or maybe future giveaways that we are doing here on this channel from time to time. So definitely make sure and become a member of the family. And now we are going to dive right in, shall we? Open up the PDF document of your choice, and what I usually do at the start is go over to the View tab and put two pages side by side. This just gives me a better overview when highlighting certain parts of the text. And now we are going to go over to the Comment tab where we can find a lot of options that we can now use. And at first we are going to highlight certain parts of the text using different colors. Go over to the pen symbol. Click on it and now mark out the part of the text that you want to highlight. Now you can see that it's highlighted in yellow, but I can choose whatever color I want. For example, this bluish tone. Whatever you prefer, choose it. But there are other options than just simply highlighting. You can, for example, underline parts of the text by clicking onto the underline button and underline the part that you want to do so for. And you can also strike through parts of the text. This is especially useful if someone messed something up or maybe he has a mistake in his text. Then you can strike through the part where you found the mistake and then you are done. Also you can choose the color however you wish once again, for example blue. But sometimes simply highlighting the text really doesn't get your point across and you want to mark out bigger parts of the text using geometric figurines, for example. Or maybe you want to point at a certain part of the text using an arrow. You can do so by going into the Geometry tab right here. For example, by choosing the Rectangle option, click on it and now you can mark out the part that you want to highlight. Or, as mentioned before, you can point on something using the Arrow option. Click onto the arrow and draw the arrow of your choice and let it point to the place where it belongs. Once you're done with that, you can, as always, customize your geometric figurines by right-clicking onto the geometric figure and then going onto the Properties tab. Here you can choose the color, the thickness of your lines, etc. Play around with this option and see what fits your needs the best. By the way, PDFelement offers a very cool way to combine text boxes and also arrows in one option. They are called callouts. Click onto the callout option, place where the arrow is going to point to, and then you can start moving around the box wherever you wish. Place it here and then you can start typing. Isn't that cool? It combines everything that you need to really point at a certain part of the text that you want to highlight. Next we are going to talk about notes. Notes give you the option to place little sticky notes at a certain part of a PDF document which you can unfold and then there's going to be text or feedback inside. Click onto the note option, place the note wherever you wish, and once you're done with that you can click onto the escape button, double click onto the note and now you can start adding your text. Once you're done with that, simply close the note and to check if everything's still there, double click on the note yet again and it's going to unfold. And last but not least, sometimes you need to place signatures inside of a PDF document for certain purposes. To do so, you're going to click onto the signature button and then you can either choose a signature that you already created or you're going to click onto the create button and then you can draw or you can type your signature, or you can upload a picture of your signature. But whatever it is you want to do, once you're done with that, click on the OK button and place your signature at the point where it belongs. Do not worry, you can also scale it up and down however you wish once you are done placing it. Now imagine you highlighted a bunch of stuff, but then you notice you don't want that anymore. Maybe you made a lot of typos inside of your note, or maybe you highlighted the wrong part of a text. Well, do not worry, it's very easy to delete those objects. For this, click onto the highlighted object that you want to delete, and then either use your keyboard by clicking onto the delete button, or you are going to click onto the object, right click on it, and then delete it. It's very easy, everyone can do this. And when you are done with all of that, save your PDF document and send it over to the person that needs to receive feedback. And this concludes today's video. And if this video was helpful and to your liking, definitely make sure to subscribe to the PDFelement channel, as well as to click the little notification bell down there. This way you're never ever going to miss out on future updates and the like, and you can participate in certain giveaways that we do from time to time here on this channel. This has been Jens from the PDFelement channel, and I bid you farewell. Please stay safe, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Ciao!